Something interesting is happening with Windows 11 right now, and it's affecting a lot of users in the Windows Insider program. If you're using the popular tool Rufus to create bootable USB drives, you might have noticed that you can't download the latest Windows ISO files anymore. This issue is specifically affecting the Canary Channel build 28000 in 20.1611 and the server preview build 29531. Users are reporting that they're getting an error message suggesting their IP addresses are being blocked. Here's what's strange. These users say they're not running any VPN or similar software. They're just using a regular internet connection, yet they're still seeing this error code 715 to 123,130. So what's going on? The developer of Rufus, Pete Battard, has a theory. He suspects that Microsoft has introduced changes that detect and block unofficial download methods. Rufus relies on something called the Fido script to retrieve official Microsoft ISO files. According to Battard, this script now appears to be flagged and restricted by Microsoft. In his own words, he said, they are detecting the script, which quite frankly is not that hard to do since it's open source. Though it does require active intentional involvement from Microsoft to break the script downloads. What this suggests is that Microsoft may want users to download Windows ISOs exclusively through their own media creation tool instead of third-party tools like Rufus. Now, here's the good news. If you're affected by this issue, don't worry too much. This has actually happened before. Back in August 2022, Microsoft made similar changes that blocked Rufus downloads, and the developer was able to patch and fix the issue. So it's very likely that an update to Rufus will address this current problem sooner rather than later. In the meantime, if you need to download Windows ISOs, you can use Microsoft's official media creation tool as a workaround. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.